When the organizer receives all the files back, what they need to do is, you'll see in the master spreadsheet, after the master file sheet, we've got player 1, player 2, etc. So these are all the places where you need to capture the information. So you'll see here we suggest when you get the files back, save them with a name, probably a better name than that. So here's my predictions by someone. What you then need to do is you can copy, so you must copy from F9 all the way down to the final result, so to J92. So we're going to copy it. So I'm going to go Control C. And then on the master file, you go to the player's going to represent, and you go to the same place. So we started on F9, so here's going to be T9, but it's critical you must paste as values. Okay, so you can either do it that way or go paste special and say values. When I say OK, it captures the information, and this is critical that it says values, otherwise the knockout matches won't work out. So it must be captured as values. You then must continue to do this. So in this example, we've already captured player 2 scores, player 3, player 4, and player 5. So we've come up with our 5 players, and all their predictions are input. Once you've captured all the players, we've included some interesting stats. So you'll see on the master file, this is where the final results will eventually come through, but you'll notice here in column K I've got something called predictions. And what this is showing is, of these 5 players, how many went for a Russia win, how many went for the draw in the middle, and how many went for a Saudi Arabia win. So you can see here Uruguay is the favorite, here France is the favorite, etc. So it's just quite nice to be able to see at a glance who's gone which way, so you can see how the points will swing depending on the results. We've also got another sheet called stats, and what this shows is, based on the prediction from these players, which teams have been predicted to make the last 16 quarterfinals, etc. So you can see in this case we expect that the winner will come out of only one of these 3 teams. So 2 people have said Germany, 1 Brazil, 2 Portugal. Once you've done this, you're ready for the tournament. Just a couple of other sheets. You'll see we've got something called overall points. So the players you want will be shown listed and their points as they update. We've got something called points chart, which will then show you a breakdown of the points chart.